Welcome to WONDERWORLDCOMPOdo, which is an installation which is partly being built right here behind. So this is what it's all about. This is actually life in its essence, or eternal transformation as I prefer to call it. This is where things deteriorate, this is where things are going back into decay or just being transformed. This was what we consider waste, and this is what it is now. Earth is down here. It's not composted well enough yet, but this is what happens when you compost. Now this is the art of life, art of the world, whatever you want to call it, and this is what this project is all about. It's a double layered composter biogas reactor, and what you will see on the drawings is how this really works. Now in here is a bit of everything, but it's all compostable materials, which means that it's human waste of all sorts of different kinds. It is, this means feces. There's no urine, because urine goes into the green wall, which I'll show you in a second. But basically this is a composition of various materials that all can be used for something. So what you've seen here is actually the first prototype of the wall in the compost toilet. Now the compost toilet is supposed to be a public activity. It's also supposed to be an edutaining facility. Basically what you see here is images that the user himself or herself can choose to put on the screens here. You can also choose, which you'll see in the drawings, to make a kind of firework out of the biogas that's actually being established in here and which comes out of what you put in. Now the other idea is that because you can actually produce biogas, which has a value, you can actually also donate the money from what you produce as biogas into a project, for example in Africa or other places where biogas can be developed to be used for poor people or for anybody really. So the project at the end of the day is an interactive co-creation project that really tries to teach you something about what it really is all about, namely that everything is an eternal cycles, or everything is an eternal transformation, as I prefer to call it. So what we see here is the green wall. Basically the green wall is a vertical reed bed system where urine gets cleaned and grey water, a place where you put earth and plants can grow in there. It's winter right now, so unfortunately there are no plants. And what you see over there is the container for feces. Now that's normally inside here. So this is basically just an experiment to prove that it's possible.